Right, Yabema, Abishafuna, Abba, Jumadi, so, and then that's a cry, Chief Gariba, Asia near the Bonko, and not saying Nubia more outside Ghana, and I say for those in Ghana here, some of us don't understand the Twi language properly, and because of that, we are going to blend the languages. It's going to be a combination of Twi and then probably English, so that those of you who are outside there who don't understand the Ghanaian language or the Twi can understand whatever we are going to tell you this time of the day. And I know by the end of this program, you know who is the best in terms of spirituality. I'm here with Chief Gariba, and we are going to talk a lot about this secret society which is popping up in our society nowadays. Chief, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
Chief, let me start by asking you, because for some years now, we know you to be a fetish priest, that is a comfort, and you are one of the most truthful and powerful chief priests in the northern part of Ghana. And recently, I had a show with you as a leader of a secret society. So let me ask you, is it an advancement or upgrade in this spirituality work?
No. A spiritual society, I'm a spiritual man.
Okay.
But my spirit is about the courtesan.
Okay.
You know, always I've been telling people of Ghana, the nation, when we are talking of spiritual or secret society, there's something that when you are a spiritual man, you can help someone to be rich.
Okay.
Do you understand? We have it so many different types.
Okay.
But my own is a spiritual something that we are using it to help people in terms of money, in terms of protection. So when we are talking of spiritual society, it's a society that is beyond Ghana. It's beyond Ghana. When I started it for so many years, not now. I'm a spiritual man, but I'm not turning myself to international spiritual society. I'm a spiritual man by a spiritual society, secret society. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it means that you are a spiritualist by a courtesan.
By courtesan.
Okay.
I'm a spiritual man by courtesan.
Okay.
And when we are talking of courtesan, you know, when you came to me, you need help. Like you want to be a rich man. I have a way that I'm going to put you by the courtesan way.
Okay.
Do you understand? You know, the reason why I came out now for courtesan is not about anything.
Okay.
It's about two things. You know, a lot of people don't understand what is courtesan.
Okay.
And I do this work for long, for so many years, almost about 18 years in spirituality. So I know deep about spiritual matter.
Okay.
Because when you are looking at the people that they came out now talking about courtesan, talking about spirituality, they don't know anything.
Okay.
They just know that the world has turned about the spiritual world. So everybody have belief about the spiritualists. Everybody believe about the courtesan. So they attend themselves about spiritually or courtesan or wherever.
Okay.
Do you understand? And it's not going that way.
Okay.
And before you be a courtesan leader, it's not anything that we can talk on air. But before you can be a courtesan leader, they have a test that they will test you.
Okay. Which you have passed that test.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you understand me? Because before you be a courtesan leader, one, how many people you help before?
Okay.
Not in terms of spirituality, in terms of the money that you have.
Okay.
How many people that you help?
Okay.
And what benefit did they use it? Do you understand?
Yes.
When you are a spiritual man and you are a courtesan, how many people that you help about the spirit, they make money?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
You know, we have a lot of things that they can test it.
It's like a level.
We have a level.
One level,
two level, three, to a certain point.
Okay. Before you can become a leader.
Before you can become a leader. Okay. But you can see that somebody will come out and be saying it like when you came to him or when you are going to come to him, the form is 500 Ghana. When you come, they will solve your problem. They will do money for you, what and what. People to understand one thing. We have a courtesan.
Okay.
We have instant money. We have a courtesan money.
We have a courtesan. We have instant money.
And then we have a courtesan money.
What is the difference between it?
Yeah, you know, instant money is out of courtesan.
Okay.
And you cannot use that one. I mean, talk about instant.
Okay.
We have courtesan money. Courtesan money is what? You came and join a courtesan for protection, to open all your chances for you,
Okay.
to guide you. Do you understand? To let you to be rich.
Okay.
And we have the performance that the person is going to do.
Okay.
That one is different. Before you be a member of the courtesan, that's three things. We have three things at the same time.
Okay.
First thing, you are giving yourself to the spirit to help you, to protect you, to protect your everything,
Okay.
to guide you, to guide your children and your wife.
Okay.
That's different thing about the what instant money.
Okay.
Second, you are joining the courtesan to be a someone in this world, in your future.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
That's true.
Okay.
Three, you are joining a courtesan with a three reason. That's the same
And
three.
you said one is protection.
Yeah.
And the protection goes beyond you.
You,
It extends to your family, your property,
Yeah, your
money,
everything.
your everything, right? And then also to become popular and powerful.
Yeah.
In wherever you are.
You are.
So these are the two.
Two.
Just left with one.
left with one. The one, you see, some of the pastors have been saying something for me, I don't understand it.
Okay.
You see, the three is about the pastors.
Okay.
You know, we have a pastor. Sorry for what I'm going to say.
Okay.
You know, I'm not insulting all the pastors.
Okay.
And I'm not discussing about pastors.
Okay.
I'm just talking. I just everybody
You're
who's
using
watching
it as
me.
an illustration.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You understand me? Some of the pastors came out to be insulting spiritual people, what and what is not good, it's not good. Now you say you don't want somebody to go as a spiritual person, to go in for courtesan or to go in for spirituality. Do you understand? It's not good. Fine. As a pastor, how can you confuse the person? How are you going to talk to the person? What prayers are you going to pray to the person to be rich?
Okay. And
You yourself, how do you find your money?
Okay.
Which way are you making your money?
so do you see some of these pastors as occult people or what?
You see, a lot of pastors, they are occultism.
Okay.
You see,
And
the reason why
do they come to people for powers or what?
you see the reason why I was saying that I'm not talking about pastors because I have a lot of pastors in my courtesan.
Wow.
So when we are going to talk of pastors, it's not only pastors, it's not about the pastors, it's about the people.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes. Right. Some people are already rich, and one or the other, we can say that they have their protection in terms of physical protections. So why should someone join this occultism group?
You see, my brother, when we are talking of occultism, you know, we cannot talk everything on air.
Okay.
But when we are talking of occultism, it's not about money.
Okay.
It's about life.
Right.
You know, every human being to understand that life is very important before everything. Do you understand?
Yes.
And life is going by what? Protection. If you want to survive in life, to enjoy in life, to be a someone, to become a rich person, unless protection.
Yes.
First. And that occultism is there to protect every human being who came and joined it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Whether you are a poor man, you are going to be rich. Whether you are a rich man, we are going to protect you for you to become a very rich again.
Okay.
So when you see that our courtesan, somebody will come and you explain to him, or you call you on phone, you explain to him that we have first group, second group, third group, and he's explaining and he tell you that you come and join the fourth group straight because he have money. Now he's having and he have a lot of problem.
Yeah, so Chief, I wanted to know how long does it take for one becomes rich when he joins the occultic group? But before that, let's take a quick commercial break. When we bounce back, Chief will answer this question. Okay, we are back from the commercial break. We are having a chat with Chief Gariba, who happens to be one of the most powerful and truthful priests in the northern part of Ghana. And when you go to the north, Tamale to be precise, you ask for Kingdom Palace, and you can easily locate Chief Gariba, where he's giving a lot of help to so many people who come to him for money, wealth, and a whole lot of things, because he is a leader of a secret society, and you can know how powerful he is. Yeah, Chief, we are back from the commercial break, and like I was asking, how long does it take for someone to become rich when he joins the occultic group?
If someone joined the occultism to become a rich, it was starting from 1 week to 1 month.
Yes.
From 1 week to 1 month, the person is going to start rich.
Okay.
So within 3 months, the person is rich. It can build his own house,
wow,
having his own cars,
wow,
do everything.
Okay.
And every year we have it once in the meeting. For a
you
year.
meet once in a year?
Yeah.
Where do you meet? Is it in Ghana here or outside Ghana?
Is sometimes it depends.
Okay.
I cannot choose it. It's the spirit going to choose it.
Okay.
Sometimes we have a meeting at Kumasi, Accra. It's only Takoradi that we are not meeting.
But do you have members in all these places?
Yes.
Wow.
Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Benin.
Okay.
You understand? And out beyond Ghana. Do you understand? Okay. America. So when you are watching my program, you see that there is a white people inside the program, because this one is telling you that it's beyond Ghana.
Oh, okay.
So where are you going to find them unless you meet them?
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So
and does it take sacrifices within this period of time for someone to become rich?
yeah, we have a performance that we are doing, but it's not about the human being.
Oh, okay.
You know, a lot of people doesn't understand what is courtesan. People think that when you are going to join a society like courtesan or brotherhood, unless you kill human being or something. No, it's not about that.
Okay.
We are not using any human being. We have items that we are buying, like sheep, goats, cow, cock, and other items. We cannot mention it. So when you call, we will tell you amount that you spend before to be a member of the society, and we will explain to you. First group is going like this, second group is like this, third group is like this, fourth group is like this. Do you understand?
Yeah. So that amount is going to be used to buy those items, or what? The amount the person is going to pay.
Yeah.
Assuming someone wants to be in the first group, or the person qualifies to be in the first group.
Okay.
He's supposed to pay so amount.
Yeah.
That money, what is it used for? For buying those items or what?
That money that we use to buy the items.
Okay.
And we'll make sure that if the person is around in Ghana here, when you call, unless you can.
Okay.
But when you are outside Ghana, when you call, we'll take your picture, your name, and where you are living.
Okay.
When it's America or Germany, the state that you are living, you will give us your name and the place that you are living, and your picture. We'll use it to ask whether you can join the courtesan to succeed. Where are you going to join it? The spirit will tell us. If it's Ghana, we'll tell you, and we'll tell you the amount that you are going to provide. We'll buy the items.
Okay.
To do the performances. And when you are outside Ghana, when we do that work, within 3 days, when we finish it within 3 days, you are going to see the scenario.
So it's not necessary that the person should come down to Ghana.
You know, my brother Odomi, you know, a lot of Ghanaians living in America, Italy, Germany, Switzerland, Spain, or wherever the country.
Yes.
And it's not their intention that they are going to live there.
Okay.
Because of the situation. How the situation comes, unless the person travel to go outside and hustle and come. So now, if the person is America, maybe he's still hustling, he doesn't have papers, he doesn't have any job, he's still maintaining himself to get job or to do something better. If the person is going to join the society and you are telling the person to come Ghana to join it, how do you think the person will feel?
Yeah.
So we do this thing to favor the people that they cannot come.
Okay.
But if only you have money, you can take a flight to come. That one, we don't have that problem. But it's not important, it's not key for you to come.
Okay.
You can be there and join it. Most important thing is that when the yearly ending, that 1 year, unless you come.
Okay.
Do you understand? Like Germany, Italy, Switzerland, we have members there.
Okay.
And they know each other. Because when you are in first group, You only know the people that are in first group.
Okay,
you cannot know the people. No.
Okay.
When you are in second group, you only know the people that they are in second group.
Okay.
When you are in third group, you can only know the people that are in third group. Because when the year ending, first group, we are going to meet on Thursday.
Okay.
Example.
Oh, so you all don't meet together?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because when you come, we have a form. So we have first group, the person name, and the amount that the person spent, showing the first group. We'll write it first group.
Okay.
And we have your passport picture. Do you understand? Second group, this amount that the person has paid. This is the performance the person do in first group. Third group, this is the performance the person do. Second group. So when the year ending, we have a time. Yes. Like assuming like first group, we are going to meet on Thursday. Second group, we are going to meet on Monday.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Third group, we are going to meet on Friday.
This means that we can all be in this same secret society, but not
you don't.
knowing each other, depending on the group you find yourself in. Okay.
Do you understand?
Right.
That's how it is.
Chief, are you on Facebook?
Not at all.
You are not on Facebook.
Yeah.
But you have been seeing your pictures and your account on Facebook. How come?
You see, I was telling people that, some of the people do this work. They lie people. They don't know how to lie them and get money again.
Okay.
And some of the people that they are calling them Sakawa boys. I've been helping them. It's not all of them.
Okay, some of them. They are using my picture. And where I reach now, everybody wanted to say you know me. Okay.
You understand me? Because where I reach, I have strongly believed that in northern Ghana or Ghana here or the nation, everybody know what I can do and what I cannot do. I'm not coming out to say I'm the only person who is a spiritual man helping people. No, I know everybody having a spirit, but at my own, I'm talking about myself. People believe that they cannot use other person picture unless me, because a lot of people that picture they will use, they are a liar.
Mame deceiving mo kakra fa nkyerɛ ahwɛfoɔ no yɛbuso ne Chief Garba ɛbɔ nkɔmɔ na mgyini sɛ nkɔmɔ no sɛ de wutie no wani agye hɔ paa na yɛ secret society group ɔno ɛda ano no ho nkɔmɔ ana yɛdie na asɛm baako a yɛdu so a mepɛ sɛ mesi so ma te sɛ Chief Garba sɛ onni Facebook enti sɛ obi send a friendship request ɛwɔ Facebook sɛ ɔno ne Chief Garba na you can totally deny or ignore it. Enyo onwa se wo so ni pare so na wo du sikara se bibi ekosi dia eye wa ankasa wasem. What you are saying is that Chief Garba is not on Facebook. He doesn't hold any account on Facebook. So if someone sends you a friendship request on Facebook and you accept the person and anything happens, it's your own cup of tea. You can totally deny the person or ignore him or her. Because Chief is not on Facebook, that is all. So Chief, what are you doing to make sure that these people do not use your name to fraud people?
You see, you don't know in Tambale here areas, Nyani, almost about 2 months now. We arrested one of the boys at Nyani.
Okay.
Come see crowd. It's not easy. Because how they begged me, I wanted to bring the person out so that people to understand that I'm not in Facebook. Because how can somebody who use my picture or me myself to call somebody to give the person friend request? Because me myself, the people that they have been coming to my place calling me, somebody will call me almost a week, I cannot pick the person call because I'm busy. Even outside Ghana, the people that they are living in Europe, they know me. They can even call me more than 1 week. I cannot get time and pick their call. So how can I be Facebook to be giving people friend requests? It doesn't sound well. I grow past that one. Somebody will say that you send him 5 million, 20 million. I don't have time for you to send me money.
Because you're already rich.
No, it's not about rich. We are talking about truth.
Yes.
I believe in truth. When you are outside Ghana, you are going to send me money. It's different. And I'm going to tell you how you are going to do before you send it. But in Ghana here, to send me money for what? You cannot come to me. Make sure that when we are going to send somebody money, and he's using Chief Garba picture, call him in video.
Okay.
Make it video call.
Yes.
You know me. If it's me, you know.
Yes. What about if the person is not on WhatsApp?
No, the person, since the person is Facebook, it will have in a WhatsApp.
Okay.
You understand?
Can use different numbers as well.
And when you are watching it, people are using a different number, different names. They can use Chief Garba, Na Garba, Malam Garba.
Yes. I've seen
Malam Abuju, Malam what, Chief what, and what. I'm not the one.
Okay.
You can only see my picture on Facebook, or they have so many this thing that they have been calling it. I don't have any Facebook.
Okay.
Only you can see me, my video and my picture on YouTube. Okay. And YouTube, when you are going to watch it, if it's my number, the number that you are looking at the screen, if there is not that number, it means that I'm not the one.
Right. What Chief is trying to say is that if you are watching him on YouTube and the number you are seeing now, it is not the same number that you have been seeing, it means that it is not Chief Garba, whether it's in video or in whatever form of image. If it is not this number which has this 1177 in it, it means that it's not Chief Garba. Let's pause for commercial break. When we come back, we continue. Right, we share my course work. I will say we so share many Chief Garba come I the Kingdom Palace I want northern part of Ghana Tamale and the brown me did say them come on when you assume na the aka chair baby you come on and the no so bema when you etimi area pay. Right, Chief.
Yeah.
Let me ask you this question.
Okay.
Nowadays when you watch television and even on YouTube, right? You see some of these spiritual people, some of these fetish priests, others call themselves occultic leaders and other stuff, exhibiting their property or their wealth using cars, houses, and other stuff. But what I've been hearing, or some of the questions that people have been asking me, is that sometimes you see this spiritualist using this car as his, or this mansion as his property. But I can also see this same car used by somebody like her, or this same mansion at maybe in East Legon or other stuff. Why is it so? Are you now people acting movie, or what are you telling the spiritual work into?
You see the reason why I was laughing. Sometimes we human beings doesn't appreciate what God gives us.
Okay.
At least every human being must to appreciate what belongs to you.
Okay.
Like me, I grew past that one. Because I cannot say that I have money more than everybody.
Okay.
The people that they have been doing this way. But when you are looking the houses that I built, I didn't build it in Accra, in Tamale here.
Okay.
And I can give you any house that I have in location in Tamale here.
Yes.
When you come to Tamale, when you come to Koblemabu last time, when you ask you are going to Kingdom Palace, everybody knows here.
Okay.
They know Kingdom Palace. And when you see a Kingdom Palace, I'm not the one who's going to tell you that I have money
or not.
I'm not saying it. I have a houses from Accra to Chima, wherever, and I cannot give you a direction.
Okay.
So me, I'm not needing. I don't need any human being to use somebody's property as as my program.
So why should they do that?
No, I don't know. Everybody is mine. And when you come to Kwablomagu, the same Kwablomagu, when you ask, you are going to Chief Garba house. That's my first house.
Okay.
My first palace. Do you understand?
Yes.
That's Garba Palace. When you go there, you see it's 4 apartments.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. In Tamale here, not anywhere.
Okay.
The Kingdom Palace is Tamale here. Where I'm working is Target.
Okay. A suburb of Tamale.
Yeah, it's all in Tamale.
Okay.
So now, even not only you, somebody asked me that question before.
Oh, okay.
And I cannot answer it. But I wanted every spiritual man to understand that where you didn't reach yet, you must exercise patience to be praying.
Okay.
To ask your colleague or your master how it comes to be that way. Don't force yourself. You understand? If you are going to force yourself to do something, or when you are going to rush, you get rushes. You have to take time to do everything.
But why do you sometimes exhibit what you have to let people know that you are rich or what, so that they should come to you? Is it necessary?
Yeah, you know what? It's necessary.
Okay.
If only what you are going to let people to see is your own.
Okay.
It's your own property. Because what I'm trying to say is that the first time that I came out with my property talking about what I have, people are condemning it, they are a spiritual man. Now they are even do it more than me.
Okay.
And for what they have been doing, I don't think it's something that is bad. But do it, the properties belongs to you.
They should use what is theirs.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't use somebody's property. Me, I never use somebody's cars as a program.
Yeah.
And so when you watch the 3 cars that I have used, that 3 cars belongs to me. Do you understand? And every that car is cost. And who knows cars knows that the cars is cost. And I'm using in Tambali here.
Okay.
And everybody knows Chief Garba. I registered Garba 1, Garba 2, Garba 3.
Wow.
Now that I have Garba 4. Do you understand me?
Very soon we have Kingdom Palace.
So we have Kingdom Palace.
Yes, as a cow, you lances one as a Kingdom.
Do you understand me? So right now, if somebody is telling people that is watching somebody's video is telling that some of the spiritual man they don't understand whether it's movie. They are rented people cars, people houses. No. Me, I'm not renting cars.
Okay.
The car that I'm using, when you come to my house, you see it as is parking, so that you really believe that it's my property. Do you understand?
Yes.
And that cars too, some of the cars I use my money to buy it, and some of the cars too, the people that they are outside the country. The people that are helping, even like if I'm not selling cars, I'll be having cars more than 10 or more than that.
Wow.
But I cannot park cars like that. Plenty people will know that you have cars.
Which of them am I going to take it away?
That one will depend on you.
Right now, Chief, let's come to your name. The name Gariba. I could see that many people have used that name before, and people are still using it, Gariba. So why is it that most of the people want to use that name, Gariba?
You see, Odomi, my brother, let me tell you something. We have some names, it's a problem names.
Yes. Some names.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you are going to give your son or your daughter name, you have to ask about the meaning of the name before you can give the name. You see, when we are talking of Garba means that Abu Bakr Sadiq.
That is Garba.
That's Garba. Abu Bakr Sadiq.
Sadiq, okay.
And you know meaning of Sadiq. That Sadiq is a truthful man.
Oh, okay.
The man that who can speak truthfully. That's the meaning of Sadiq.
Okay.
When you go to Nigeria, Kano, the person who is a leader of Kano having a money, the person's name is called Garba.
Okay. So wherever Garba is, there's wealth.
Yes. You understand me? So when we are talking of Ghana, even the people that they have been doing this work in Tamale here, northern Ghana, and Ghana here, they have been trying me so many times, they couldn't succeed me.
Try you in terms of
bad spirits.
Oh, okay.
You know, sometimes we have been trying each other because you know.
And have you tried someone before?
No, I don't have time. Let me tell you something. It's 3 things going to let human being to survive in life.
Okay.
Truth first, belief second, patient.
Okay. Nice and okore gidie any abotre. Wow. Okay. Right. I'm coming de. I was for had a grandma final minute Gariba, your day your competition in Nashina to sum everything up on the chief I can say we the partners and one episode dear, Bomadena, a friend number now the good TV, I grew a year for dinner, which so. O share, o fresh number Nivia, the Akanino, a tour a Chadiama. Obama become group no, na Yamiatina born in the Menina Conca. Will be a house, medium and personal joining group no, name me per se, me to me, meaning I know for chief and Chimubi or home, or be to me at the amount meeting any young Damicodia. Madam say, so when your papa now share the pen sabri, this way in share or brave to our money. Never say,